My Bird Sanctuary. It was a vibrant Sunday morning. Sharmila woke up early around 6:30 a.m. Unlike other days, she stood in her balcony and saw many small birds flocking together, chirping enthusiastically, flying towards places in search of food. She felt the scene to be so delightful, which gave her a start to a wonderful day ahead. She decided to go for a walk. She stepped onto the long road covered with greens on either side. On her way, she witnessed so many kinds of birds that were colorful, some with small wings, some with big wings, with varied claws and beaks. It was not a simple walk, but was an insight and an eye-opener for many of her problems. She saw a bird that was going inside a bottle-shaped nest and coming out. The nest was quite big, and the bird was too small in size. The best part is the entry was from the bottom rather than from the top. Oh, that was a weaver bird who taught her how to be patient and consistent in executing any task and made her realize that there could also be a bottom-up approach in dealing with any situation. She found that in life, by tracing back few problems with a calm mind, yield better solutions. Walking ahead, she found a lake beside the road. She stood by the lake and watched the blue sky. It was truly a visionary of hope and positivity. On the sky, she could see a huge bird flying in full swing. The bird was powerful and also furious at sight. While she was observing where that bird was flying, the bird came closer to the lake. She was petrified looking at its gigantic size. Well, yes, that was an eagle who just whipped off a big fish with its scary claws that had massively sharp hooked nails. She was wondering about its sharp vision, thinking how it could fetch the fish effortlessly inside the water from such a far off distance. You know, friends, eagle is the mightiest bird ever and the bird that can take the highest flight with a clear vision. She realized the fact that when a bird can focus things so clearly, why can't she, being a human, do the same? She went on watching several other birds on her way back home. Her experience was unbound and breathtaking and became a learning for her life. Every step on the road was far beyond words and made her complete the walk with power and confidence.
Hi, I am Chico, the parrot. Want to meet my friends? There is my friend, the mighty eagle. Hey, Eagly, how's life, buddy? Great, bro. My beautiful peacock is eagerly waiting for the rain to stop dancing. Hey, Chico, how do you do? Hey, Swanee, excellent, dear. Having a cool time.
Hey, beauty.
Hey, it's been a long time I met you, Toku. I am doing fantastic. Hello, Dory. Looking pretty as ever. Thank you. Chiku, finally we finished building our nest. That's cool, Rivers. See you again, friends.
Enjoyed the narration? Let's move on.
A walk in the woods covered with flower buds, a sight that is bright, a mite ready to flight. One flying back, the other tracing the track. The long-legged crane, pointed beaks crossing the lane. Saw the crow doing the math with pebbles, the cuckoo taking shelter with cuddles. A nest built with patience, an artifact created with so much of sense. An undeviated focus of an eagle with a powerful catch on the mission. A sound of zen, a feeling of vibrance. A touch with nature filled with unspoken words of sanctity, a takeoff to eternity with the bliss of satisfaction, an unheard melody with wheels traveling miles across. 60 minutes on foot cleared all blocks of mind from the route. It wasn't just a walk, but a treasure that can never match a talk.